How to change telegram background in 2021, that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to know that it works on both Android and iOS, so please make sure you watch until end. So firstly, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then click on the settings. Then you come to this page, and here what you have to do is you have to click on the chat settings in the settings tab, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the change chat background. So you can see the first option, you have to click on the change chat background, and here you can choose any of the background for your chat. So you can choose any of the background from the chat. You can also search it by clicking on the search button. You can also set a color by clicking on the set a color. You can also select from gallery by clicking on the select from gallery in the top, but I am selecting the chat background by clicking on this, and then you can click on the set background, and by clicking on the set background, your this image is set as a background, set as the telegram background. So that's basically that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.